Good morning and niyata karon para mag-unbox ng package nga na-receive nato from Shopee. So we're going to unbox this and check what quality and what we have inside. There we go. This is the cup face shield. So let's try to check. There you go. So ito yung yung gusto nato tong bata pa ta. Fireworks. So let's putang natin yung dire. There you go. Maong gipilit na mo ni kay it's very easy to use with this features, thing here. It's very easy to assemble and disassemble. And here's the cup, here's the hat. Here it is, and go. Kalo pa lang daan mga miga. Nice quality na siya. Nice color and easy. Nice to use. Ayun siya natatabuhok mga miga. So saan siya pagtaod? Dali lang. Pakita lang na ako sa inyo unsa sa kanindot nga face shield compare sa uban, dali raman siya taod. So we natay duha, we have two different style, and let me show that to you. So let me assemble this one first. Go. And the other one here, you hear that sound? That's the sound of amazing. So here you can see it's very nice and very wide, so you just need to put it here, and there we go. So the hat and the shield. Easy, it's easy to breathe, easy to use, very comfortable. And I'll show you the other way of using this. Instead of putting it here on the front, you may put it on the back by doing like this and this. So there you go, back style. So you just need to put that on your head and you have it now. Very comfortable, easy to breathe and easy to use. Just put it up and put it down, and such a good quality product. And there you go. First you can have this style at the back if you want, and the other one you can do like this on the front of the hat itself. The hat itself is very nice and good quality, and if you put it here on your head, you will look even more handsome like me and beautiful. So compared to other face shield, this is more comfortable and convenient. It's not too tight. It's easy to remove this symbol and assemble, and there. So pakita na ako sa inyo unsa sa kanindot. Kabalo naman mo sa ni pag-assemble, it's very easy. So nga na siya kanindot, mao nga gipili ni namo siya nga design because it's very comfortable to use, easy And so all in all, nice and perfect. So ayun lang guys, kung gusto nyong bumili gaya ng item na dito sa dalang sa Shopee at hanapin nyo yung ganitong klaseng design. Again, it's very comfortable, nice to use, and fast delivery, and just arrived on time, so worth waiting. So yun lang, at salamat sa panonood sa maikling video na ito. At if you want me to upload more like this, just leave a comment below, so for me to be informed and upload that. And you have a great day. God bless. Bye bye.